Turn. Just need a TP roll. And some tape. Thanks, Mr. Grinch. Now draw something seasonal on top, like jolly old Santa. Don't forget to color him in. All it needs now is a little light. For a whole new take on Christmas lights. It's nice to relax, but you'll need something to do. Like watching television. Good old television. It's almost as fun as watching videos on a computer or phone. Anyway, I wonder if we can get streaming with these rabbit ears. Ooh, buttons! But yeah, I'd still whip up a remote. Oh, I see. You can roll out a new Christmas special. Looks like the Sprunkies are getting a visit from Santa. Of course, there's another important part of the holidays, the food. Popcorn? Well, I was expecting turkey, but all right. Has the milk gone bad? Well, the worms seem to like it. So why don't we let them keep it? Save us, magic trash bin! Hey, you mice aren't supposed to be scurrying now. And when it comes to popcorn, go big or go home. Well, we're already home, so let's make a big box. But this box isn't just gonna hold popcorn. It's gonna help us make some. Grab some kernels. This way, our snacks are gonna be fresh. Of course, popcorn needs a little flavor. I mean, I was thinking butter, but everyone needs some spice in their life. And look, now we're really getting things popping. Just move that flap, and soon we're practically raining in popcorn. But why don't we save some for the Sprunkies? Good thing we saved the mini container. It's the perfect size for these two. Well, each. And there's still plenty to go around. Always nice to have something to wash it down. Ooh, Pinky and Oren need something to wet their whistle too. Take this jagged piece of paper and roll it up. Of course, it'll need a top and a bottom. And something that will help make it move. Next, why don't we add some nano tape? It's our very own blender. And it looks like Wenda. Makes sense. She's always the perfect hostess.
Wow!
Of course, we're gonna need something to blend. And what could be better than some fresh fruit? Well, ice cream, but we don't have that. So fruit it is. At least it'll be fresh. Okay, so who wants smoothies? You can already taste the pulp. It's the holidays, so make sure to grab our fanciest chalices. Okay guys, sit down and have a sip. Globe filled with blocks. We can use them to make our own little Santa. Will this cheer him up? Nah, still evil. and it's are here to help. Seems simple enough. Just gotta match the colors. Okay, we're almost done. Just a few more matches. Hold on, I don't think that's quite right. Yeah, orange and gold are easy to mix up. Don't worry, Garnold. We'll find your match. We did it! And we've got a new brain. Bandage him up. Good thing he wears a hat. Good thing Owaxiax has got a hospital gown. He looks like he could use a doctor. At least let's make him a new mouth. Next, let's clear up those dry eyes. Talk about a full body makeover. Let's see if we can find some donors. That's it? We're gonna need some more. Let's speed things up. Oh, everyone's being so generous. Still, it's starting to become a puzzle, literally. Well, we just gotta take things slow. And look for corner pieces. Gotta love corner pieces. Aw, now someone's back to their old limey self. Guess Oren needs our help next. Now, you might feel a slight pinch, but don't worry. Next comes nap time. How about we check her brain waves? Ooh, that doesn't look good. We should take a closer look inside. It's not easy getting others to open up. Let's get rid of all this excess gunk. She's getting a full rework. Now let's just patch her up. Next, it's time to collect some vital organs. Video games really prepared us for med school. Quick, while everything's still fresh. Now just put everything in its place. Almost done. Just need to close her up. Ooh, she's sounding better already. Okay, wake up, Sleeping Beauty. It's time to join your friends. After pizza nap. But we're gonna whip up something big first. 'Cause Pinky wants to sleep under the stars. Kinda defeats the whole point of getting a house. Still, a mini aluminum star room really lights up the room. Granted, the fairy lights do most of the work. Now kick back with a blanket and pillows. Count the stars. It works better than sheep. Of course, you can't sleep your lives away. Trust me, I tried. It just doesn't work. Which means it's time for coffee. So we're gonna need to make a machine. A coffee machine. Oren likes his morning brew extra sweet. And you've gotta have some calcium. Wow! Nothing beats a good cup of joe. Not that we have anything against tea. Ooh, looks like you've made enough for two. Let's just hope Pinky doesn't take her stuff back. Either way, it looks like she wants to make something first. And I don't think it's coasters. This should spring things into action. It's all part of our new vending machine. Now fill it up with all sorts of treats. And just in time for breakfast, too. Okay, Oren, what do you want to eat? Ah, chocolate cereal, an excellent choice. And it's a good thing you saved some milk. Cheers! What a great way to start the day. That was fun. Now it's time to fix yourself up. Oh no! That was Pinky's favorite makeup! Calm down. No use crying over spilled rouge. Besides, we can make you a whole new beauty box. And you know it works. It's got glitter. Hey Pinky, can we see your ring for a moment? Here's a trick. From simple box to a mini vanity. Why don't we add a personal Pinky touch? Oh, don't cry, Pinky. We've got a surprise for you. Now you can make yourself even more beautiful. Next up, step right in and try this on for size. It's your brand new crinoline, but it needs something. Like fluffy pink sweaters, it's a skirt. One that doubles as a pink Christmas tree. But first, let's dance. Hold on, what's that smell? Oh no! Just look at these poor houseplants. Sorry, but they're going in the compost heap. Maybe we can put this cup to better use. Cut it up, and soon it'll be our new flower. And this one doesn't need any water or soil, meaning it will always have a happy face. Look, we've got a whole bouquet. Let's make you all nice and comfortable. Ah, really takes you back to Sprunki land. Wow, you guys really turned this old house into a home. You guys really should have had one of those home makeover shows. But all in all, we've had a busy day. You two should take a nap. You deserve it.